I wore mini braids of my natural hair to grow it long over the last 3 months, and in today's video I'm detangling all of that new growth, talking to you about the benefits of flaxseed and overall about detangling your natural hair after such a long time. Let's get into today's video. So I'm showing you the flaxseed seed which I soaked in some warm water, and it made this really nice slippery gel. It's a very easy gel to make. Literally just soak some seeds. You could do it overnight and you get really slippery water, and that's basically the gel that I'm going to use to detangle my natural hair today. I want to say a big welcome back to all my new and returning subscribers. I really appreciate each and every one of you stopping by my channel and checking out my content. So this is what my hair is looking like. After protective styling my hair for 3 months, you can see it looks thicker and you can see all of that new growth. So I'm just going to decant all of that water gel into a bottle and spray it on to start the detangling process. The main thing to remember that after wearing your natural hair in mini braids or any long-term protective style for such a long time is that your hair might be quite fragile after that process. As you've seen, if you checked out my playlist, and please do check out my playlist, week by week I have been treating my hair with henna, flaxseed, fenugreek and all the wonderful Aveda products that actually strengthen my hair. But if you have not been doing that, detangling your natural hair after 3 months, your hair will be quite fragile. So the very first thing to do is to be mindful of how you handle your hair after such a long time. I'm mindful not to go straight in with a comb on dry hair. So the very first thing I'm doing is soaking my hair with the flaxseed gel. So some of the benefits of using flaxseed on your natural hair, and I've covered flaxseed on my channel before. I've made other gels, so you can also check out those videos. Is the first thing, it helps with hair growth. As you've seen, I've used it during the challenge, the 3 months mini braids challenge, to put on my hair to help with the thickness. And so you get growth from flaxseed and you also get overall thickness. It is a wonderful detangler because it's quite a slippery product. As you saw me taking my hand out of the water, you could see it became gel-like, and that's wonderful slip for your natural hair. After 3 months, it's going to be quite hard to get through that new growth. So having a product like flaxseed to help you to detangle your hair will make the job a lot easier. If you are still on the challenge, if you are having any questions, any comments, please put them down below. I'm happy to help anyone that's still on the challenge. As I said, there will be a brand new challenge starting in August, and I'm so excited for all of us and all the growth. You've seen the growth that I've received over the last 3 months. So it's a wonderful, easy challenge that anyone can do. So do sign up or do put any comments down below if you are in the challenge at the moment. Just sectioned my hair out after taking it down. Do watch my takedown videos if you've not seen those. All the growth I showed you in there, and some of the issues that I encountered wearing mini braids for 3 months is also in those videos, so also check them out. So with that section done, I made sure to really focus on my scalp. When you're detangling your hair after 3 months, scalp care is very important. So I didn't just get the flaxseed gel on the length of my hair, but I also got some on my scalp to get that really good those vitamins. It's got omega-3 flaxseed, it's got antitoxins, it's got vitamin B, it's got magnesium, it's got so much good products in there that I'm careful to get on all of my hair. So as you can see, my hair is in really good condition after 3 months protective style. I do not recommend everyone do 3 month protective style. If you test your hair, let's go 4 weeks, maybe 8 weeks, and then work up to 12 weeks, 3 months, depending on your hair. If your hair is really damaged, please do not try to protective style it for 3 months. You will incur even more damage, especially if you're not going to be maintaining a weekly or month or weekly or bi-weekly routine on your hair. You will experience breakage. But as you see throughout the challenge, I was very careful every week to wash my hair, moisturize it, and maintain a really good routine, taking care of the whole of my hair from the scalp to the ends. And so that's how I was able to really get good growth and good hair at the end of 3 months protective style. Once again, if your hair is fragile and damaged, do not go 3 months with protective style. You might actually incur more damage. I'm pulling my hair there. My hair is transforming right before your eyes. It's getting longer, it's getting thicker, and I'm so excited for this challenge. Now you see that I'm finger detangling my hair. I'm sort of putting the gel on and I'm using my hands to sort of just separate the hair, being very careful with how I handle my hair. As I said, I've not really taken my hair out in 3 months. There's lots of shed hair to deal with. My fingers is the #1 tool, focusing on my scalp and the length of my hair. Also, flaxseed gel is a sort of deep moisturizing conditioner. It penetrates your hair strand and acts the same way as a deep conditioner. So not only is it detangling my hair here, but it's also giving me great conditioner, so that when I'm ready to sort of separate my hair with a comb, that it's really deep conditioned and it's strong enough, it's moisturized enough to go through that process. It's a really easy gel, really cheap. I got my flaxseed from Holland & Barrett's a while ago, and I just use some seeds whenever I need it. So it's a product that you can make as you need. You could also put it in the fridge as well. So while I was trying to detangle my hair, I did realize that I did have some braids that escaped. And so that's a good reason why you should finger detangle your hair, because if you had the comb ripping through that, you probably ripped through some of the mini braids that didn't get taken down. But I'm being very gentle. I've allocated this amount of time to detangle my hair. I'm in no rush, and I'm detangling my hair very gently, because I don't want to lose all the progress that I've made over the last 3 months. Once again, check out my playlist section. This is not the longest challenge I've done in mini braids. I went up to 22 weeks in one of my challenges, and I showed you week by week how I did that. Do remember to subscribe to my channel for plenty more information on how to grow your natural hair. You're seeing the length of my hair. My hair is growing really long, and it's a lot of work, but I'm showing you how I'm doing it here on this channel, so you can follow along. Subscribe, hit the notification bell as well. Also leave me a comment and give this video a like. Those 3 things really help to push this channel up in the algorithm, helping ladies who's trying to find really easy, simple ways of growing their type 4 natural hair. Thank you so much. I'm back to my final section of my hair. A finger detangled, a focus on my scalp. This is a wonderful deep conditioning moisturizing treatment for treating fragile hair after 3 or so months of protective styling. There are other ways of protective styling your hair. If you feel like mini braids is too harsh on your strands, and it is quite strenuous, you can try buns. You can do a 3 months bun challenge. You could do twists as well. Check out my mini twist playlist as well. Provide lots of information in that playlist about growing your hair in a mini twist if that is your preferred method. So there is my hair looking wonderfully thick, and I'm just going to go through now because it's really soaked. I'm going to go in now with my comb, also finding the rest of the mini braids that didn't manage to get taken down, and go in now once that's soaked in. So I leave that treatment on for about 20 minutes or so, and then I start with the comb. Once again, the comb that I'm using is a wide tooth. My wide tooth orange comb is the comb I recommend you use on your hair. And now, because it's been finger detangled, it's got that wonderful slip in there, I can be confident enough to use this comb to detangle my hair. Once again, the benefits of flaxseed: it promotes growth, it protects your ends, it gives you a wonderful slip. It's got lots of vitamins in there, including omega-3, antitoxins. It's got vitamin B and magnesium, amongst others. So it's just a wonderful treatment. So once my finger detangling is done, I'm still going in, I'm separating my hair, and I'm trying to get rid of any sort of knots or anywhere that can cause damage on my hair in this detangling video. Again, one of the main things to do is to allocate enough time, especially as the hair grows and it is getting longer. You will need a lot more time. You can see the thickness and the growth in my hair. I'm gently combing down the new growth. I'm doing that very gently. This video is actually sped up, so I'm going through my hair. You can see the thickness there. I don't want to lose that thickness, so I'm detangling my hair very gently. I go through and I rinse out all of that, and you can see my hair after this. Go through a proper wash day. If you want to see my wash day, indeed I have a wash day playlist. Check out my wash day playlist for how I wash my natural hair, how I shorten the process by putting all the products on my hair together. So the flaxseed gel detangler is a wonderful treatment. Helps to get rid of any knots and tangles, and after long-term protective style, it is just what you need. So in my next video then, I will be showing you how I use roller, how I stretch my natural hair. I'm going to stretch my natural hair in my next one. Then I'm going to do a length check for you, and then we're going to do a few more videos, and then it's going to be time for the challenge. So look out for all of the wonderful content coming up here on Simply Shev hair growth channel. The final part of my wash day detangling is to put my products in and get my hair ready for the next style. You can see my hair is beautifully shrunk down, so it means it's really healthy. You can see there's not a lot to trim off there after 3 months. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.